Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of LeetCode, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access the interview questions or the DSA questions that have been asked by Apple in their recruitment process. So LeetCode provides you with the facility to compile all the questions in one single place. So to access that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the leetcode.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you do that, just simply go to this option in this top window which says problems. Just simply tap it over there and let it get loads. Once it gets loaded, you're gonna find the list of problems, and in the right bottom corner you're gonna see this icon, something, a golden icon. Just simply tap on it, and here you're gonna find the list of companies, and here it says Apple, which is currently 612 questions that have been listed on LeetCode that has asked by Apple in their recruitment process over the DSA rounds or some technical rounds as well. Or you can, if you cannot find it here, you can just simply search the Apple over the search bar here also. So just simply tap over this Apple, and you're gonna find all the question list of the questions that have been asked by Apple. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.